Olee mgbe ka ị na-abịa? Olee mgbe ka ị na-abịa? When will you be coming? M ga-abịa echi. Echi, tomorrow. M ga-abịa echi. I'll be coming tomorrow. Ajụjụ nke abụọ. Ọ bịago bịafọ gị? Ọ bịago bịafọ gị? Has he or she come to see you? Or has he or she come to visit you? Ọ bịago. Ọ bịago. Yes, he has come. Yes, he has been here. Yes, she has been here. And if he or she has not come, what do you say? Mba. Remember, mba is no. Mba, obiaboro. Obiaboro. Let us turn it the other way and say, asking someone now, asking you directly now. Igago gafuya. Igago gafuya. Have you gone to visit him? So take note of the difference. Obiago. Now, you are asking someone if a friend, a relative has come to visit him. Whereas it's different from someone asking you now, have you gone to see him or her? Igago gafuya. Have you gone to see him? Igago. Inyego ya ihe ahụ. Inyego ya ife ahụ. Sorry. Inyego ya ihe ahụ. Another dialect says inyego ya ife ahụ. Okay. So, it's simply saying inyego ya ihe ahụ. Have you given that thing to him or her? Another person is asking you, have you delivered that thing? Inyego ya ife ahụ. If you have, you say, enyego mia. Enyego mia. Yes, I have given it to him. I've given it to her. Enyego mia. Forget about he or she here, or female or male response. No. Enyego mia. I have given it to her. And if you have not, you say, mba. Enye boromia. Mba. Enye boromia. So another question will come up through that conversation. Maka genizi. Maka genizi. That is say, why? Why have you not given it? Why? Your response is eche zoromia or elu zoromia, but eche zoromia. Eche zoromia. I forgot to give it to him or her, or I forgot. Eche zoromia. I have forgotten. The next, number 6 question. Ị ka na-arụ ọrụ ebe ahụ? Ị ka na-arụ ọrụ ebe ahụ? Are you still working there? Work ọrụ. Ị ka na-arụ ọrụ ebe ahụ? Ebe ahụ. There. Are you still working there? Yes. Aka m na-arụ ọrụ ebe ahụ. Aka m na-arụ ọrụ ebe ahụ. Or no. Mba. Ahazi m arụ ọrụ ebe ahụ. Mba. Ahazi m arụ ọrụ ebe ahụ. Alright, thank you. See you in my next video. Please help me to subscribe. I beg you. Thank you.